Welcome to our channel, iTechnolabs. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to coding your very first app, even if you've never written a single line of code. Let's dive in. We spend hours on our phones, especially on apps like Instagram or TikTok. But have you ever wondered how these apps are built? Or if you could create one? Maybe you've even dreamed of making your own app, a better Instagram, or a unique tool, or just something fun. But where do you start? First off, what is an app? It's software. Apps are built from code, logic, and design, and they run on phones, computers, or the web. But not all apps are created the same. Let's look at the types. Number 1. Native apps. Built specifically for iOS, Swift, or Android Kotlin. Faster and smoother, but you need to code twice for both platforms. Number 2. Hybrid apps. Write once, run anywhere. Tools like Flutter or React Native let you build for both platforms with one codebase. Number 3. Web apps. Run in browsers, no install needed. Built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Great for reach, but limited device features. Number 4. Desktop apps. Made for Mac, Windows, or Linux. Examples? Spotify or Photoshop. Built with languages like C# or Electron. Number 5. Progressive web apps. The best of both worlds. PWAs are web apps that feel native. They work offline and can be installed. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process to code your first app. Before you even touch a code editor, planning is key. Step 1. Define your idea. Start by clarifying what your app will do and who it's for. What problem does it solve? Who are your users? What features are essential? Keep your initial idea focused. Simplicity wins early. Step 2. Do market research. Research your competitors and target audience. Understand existing solutions and their weaknesses. User needs and expectations. Market gaps you can fill. Tools: Google Trends, App Store reviews, surveys, social media. Step 3. Sketch your app. Create wireframes or mockups to visualize your app's structure and flow. Include screen layouts, navigation patterns, core user journeys. Tools: Figma, Sketch, Balsamiq. Step 4. Plan the tech stack. Decide how you'll build the app. Platform: iOS, Android, web, or cross-platform. Languages and frameworks: Swift, Kotlin, Flutter, React Native. Backend: Firebase, Node.js, Django. Choose the right database and hosting. Step 5. Develop the app. Break development into 2 phases. MVP, minimum viable product, build only the must-have features. Full app, add nice-to-have features and polish. Use agile or sprint-based workflows. Test early and often. Step 6. Test thoroughly. Run multiple types of testing. Functional testing, usability testing, performance and security tests, device and platform compatibility. Tools: TestFlight, iOS, Firebase Test Lab, Browser Stack. Step 7. Launch and improve. Deploy to the App Store or Play Store. Promote your app, gather feedback, and improve. Post-launch tasks: monitor crashes and analytics, collect user feedback, push updates regularly. And that's it. You're officially an app developer. So, whether you're coding it yourself or using tools to help, now you know exactly what it takes to bring your app idea to life. Step by step. No more guesswork. By the way, this video is brought to you by iTechnolabs, your digital solutions partner for app and web development, as well as AI solutions. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.